Welcome. I actually thought this day would never come. The last time we were in this room was in March of 2020. That was actually the last time I was at a big group meeting like this. I have not attended any in-person meetings in that time. I'm Dr. Robert Wright. For those of you who don't know me, I'm the chair of the Department of Environmental Medicine and Public Health here at Mount Sinai and the co-director of the Institute for Exposomic Research. And this is our 5th New York City Exposome Symposium. This conference really didn't originate on March 6, 2020, or the themes of this conference. It really started on a different day, May 25th, 2020, the day that George Floyd was murdered in broad daylight, in public, and without mercy. And I think that event opened the door to a lot of conversations that many of us had never had before. I think it made us reassess why we do the work we do and how the world works. And our focus today is on environmental inequities, environmental justice. And it's a small step, but it's a step in the right direction. I also want to thank the trainees and the faculty that submitted posters. We have 40 poster presentations that you'll see this afternoon. That session is going to be moderated by Dr. Julio Landero, associate professor here and a member of our HERE program. So we look forward to that. In addition, I want to recognize some of our colleagues that have provided support, Agilent Technologies, Mount Sinai's HERE program and data center, the P30 Core Center, and the Mount Sinai CTSA program. We have given 4 travel awards. Dr. Peng Gao is here from the University of Pittsburgh and Stanford University, Jessica Worley from Wayne State University, and Sylvia Sanchez and Magdalena Fandino Del Rio, both from Johns Hopkins University. So thank you. Their generous support was provided by those sponsors. We have a new sponsor this year. Dr. Gary Miller from Columbia University is the editor of Exposome, a new journal, and his journal is providing some support for our meeting as well, so we're really grateful for that. And we're also very thankful to Mount Sinai for supporting the Institute for Exposomic Research, which has been supporting this now for 5 years. We have a sister symposium that we do in Italy with the University of Brescia that will happen tentatively in April of 2023. And we're very excited for that. That one's going to be themed on climate and health. And before we get started, just a few housekeeping notes. The bathrooms are out the door and to the left. We ask that everybody stay masked during the plenary sessions. Speakers can remove their masks, as I did, while they're at the podium. During the Q&A, if you have a question, please go to the microphone stands in the aisleways. I will also take questions from the webcast viewers, so please put your questions, those of you online, in the Q&A tab on your screen. We're going to keep the introduction short and refer you to the longer bios in the printed program. For our webcast viewers, on your screen under the Resources tab, you'll find the program. The conference is going to be live tweeted today at Sinai Exposomics, and hashtag Exposome is the hashtag. And I hope you'll join the conversation and amplify what we learned here today. Finally, I want to introduce Dr. David Balshaw. Dr. Balshaw is the acting director of the Division of Extra-Room Research and Training at the National Institute of Environmental Health Sciences. He's helped us plan this meeting every year for the last 5 years. We're very grateful for his continued leadership in advancing the concept and field of exposomics, and he's been a key partner all these years. So thank you, and David.